fully tropicalized truck that was tailor-made to suit those who enjoy the thrill of driving. I'm talking about one that offers you high ground clearance, beautiful 4 independent suspensions that can withstand the harshness of our roads, then one that has good safety and technology features and a very decent power steering system. This, guys, is the pickup of all pickups. This is its 2023 Jet Lander. As standard on this single trim unit, we have these: a fully LED headlamp with fog lamps, 16-inch rims on the side, and in there we have disc brakes both in the front and in the rear. Moving into the cabin, we have a cabin that seats 5 people that is wrapped in leather, climate zone control. Then this, a beautiful infotainment interface that is powered by Android. And here we have a leather-wrapped steering wheel with multiple controls. The Jet Lander is powered by a 2.4-litre turbocharged inline 4-cylinder. It is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission and it sends all power to all 4 wheels via a 4x4 drivetrain. At the back we have a high mount tail light, rear fog lamp, a rear view camera, and here we have this: a massive truck bed. The Jet Lander is the truck for true drivers. It is the truck for those who want to conquer the road.